Fold one white pipe cleaner in half. Twist where the two sides cross at 4.5 centimeters. Curve both sides slightly. Thread one end through the center. And place the other on top. Twist them together. Keep one stem and trim the others. Shape the petal curve. Make 5 petals total. Fold 3 light yellow stamens in half. Use half a lemon yellow pipe cleaner to secure the center. Use elastic thread to attach the 5 petals around the center. Keep one pipe cleaner as the stem and trim the others. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 5 flowers total. Take one olive green pipe cleaner. Wrap the top with floral tape. Attach the 5 flowers along the stem. Space them about 4 to 4.5 centimeters apart. Fold another olive green pipe cleaner in half to extend the stem. Wrap the entire stem with floral tape.